Answer is D. Answer is B. Answer is C. Answer is A. Pick a number and drop it off. Winning numbers are 2, 4, 6, 13, and 19. Homework check. Bring it up here and show me what you have. Objective today is to simplify radical terms. Here's a quick review. The square root of 25. 5. Square root of 64. 8. Square root of 121. 11. Square root of 49. Square root of 81. Square root of 144.
12.
Square root of 289.
14.
17. Square root of 196. 14. 2 times the square root of 4. 4. 3 times the square root of 25. 6 times the square root of 49. 42. 9 times the square root of 63.
54.
This brings us to what we're going to do today. And that is, if it's not a perfect square under the square root sign, what you must do is find the highest perfect square that comes out of the number under the radical sign. Your squares are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so on. We want the highest perfect square that could possibly come out of 63. You do not deal with the ones that are higher than half of 63 because they will never go into them no matter what they are. Half of 63 is approximately 31 and a half, or it is 31 and a half. So you don't need 36. And we never use 1. Then start from the top and go down. Will 25 go into 63? Does 25 go into 63? No. Does 16 go into 63? No, it does not. Will 9 go into 63? Yes. So keep the 9 that's already in the problem. And now you need square root of 9 times square root of what to get square root of 63? 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Therefore, square root of 9 times square root of 7 is square root of 63. Again, keep this 9 where it's at, but the square root of 9 is 3. And then simplify 9 times 3 to get 27. 27 square root of 7 is the answer. Here's example number 1. Square root of 12. We want to see if we can find a perfect square that comes out of 12. We don't use 1, but our other squares are 4, 9, 16, 25, and so on. Half of 12 is 6, so we're not going to use anything that's 9 or higher. So our only option is 4. Will 4 divide into 12 evenly?
Yes.
So you'll need the square root of 4 times the square root of what?
3.
3. 4 times 3 is 12. The square root of 4 is 2. So your final answer is 2 square root of 3. Square root of 60. We have 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, and so on to choose from. Half of 60 is 30. So we're not going to use 36 or anything thereafter. Will 25 go into 60? No. Will 16 go in? No. What about 9? No. So we're down to 4 again. Will 4 go into 60 evenly? How many times? 15. So square root of 4 times square root of 15. The square root of 4 is 2. So the answer is 2 square root of 15. On this problem, you can take out a square root of 4, which would be multiplied by square root of 10. Your final answer is 2 square root of 10. The highest perfect square that comes out of 48 is 16. So that leaves you with 4 square root of 3. Example 3. So you have a number, a coefficient of sorts on the square root of 20. So leave that 4 alone and find the highest perfect square that goes into 20. And that's going to be 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Leave that 4 alone again, and square root of 4 is 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. Your final answer would be 8 square root of 5. Example 4. The highest perfect square that goes into 63 is 9. So you would need a 9 times 7 to get 63. The square root of 9 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Your answer is 15 square root of 7. On the practice problem, we need 4 square root of 16 square root of 2. And the square root of 16 is 4, so that's 16 square root of 2. For the practice problem, you'll need 10. That's kind of strange, but I'll keep it. 10 square root of 9 square root of 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So you'll have 30 square root of 3.